Frankie music. Frankie music.
Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about energy transfer. Now, from your GCSE knowledge, you probably should know that energy cannot be created nor destroyed, but can only be converted from one form to another, or we can say can only be transferred from one form to another. Right? Now, there are different types of energies, but for this demonstration, we're just going to speak about two types. We have what we call kinetic energy, and we have what we call potential energy. So with kinetic energy just simply speaks to the energy that is associated with an object that is in motion. So whenever an object is moving, the energy that it has is considered to be kinetic energy. Whenever an object is stationary, it tends to store what we call potential energy. Alright? Now, that stored energy can be transferred into kinetic energy as soon as the object starts moving. Now, what you will find here is that once the object comes to a complete stop, then that would give us the indication that all the kinetic energy is then transferred back to potential energy. And you'll see that happening from this displacement here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to give this object some more potential energy. Right? Now the potential energy that it has will be then converted to kinetic energy. Now, based on how this experiment works, or this demonstration works, the object is going to come to a complete stop, which means that all the kinetic energy will be transferred back into potential energy. And I want you to see exactly what's going to take place now. Right? So when the object comes here and it stops, right, it is transferring all the kinetic energy into potential energy, so much so that it allows the pendulum on this side to be displaced, right? Which is to give it a further push of kinetic energy. Of course, you know that energy is transferred, so therefore you would expect that all the energies that is within the system will then be dissipated, whether by sound or in some other form of energies. Could be potential, again, when the object comes to a complete stop. So let's just demonstrate that again for your own benefit. So from potential energy, right, to kinetic, then from kinetic straight to potential. So that's essentially what is taking place in this demonstration. Hope that helps.